As new year has came, everybody is making their resolution. But do you know? More than 70 to 80% people are not able to continue with their resolutions after 2 or 3 weeks. So what it takes to make a habit, we are going to discuss in this video. So there are 3 elements of making any habit. It can be anything. So first is trigger, second is routine, and third is reward. So you can see any bad habit people have, these three are associated with that too. So by these three you can make a good habit as well. First one is trigger. Triggers can be any event, any person or anything which initiate the behavior or task. Suppose when I go to home, I will change my cloth. When my alarm gets on, I will just put up my gym clothes and I go to running. So sometimes of these kind of triggers which help you to initiate the behavior. Next we have routine. So routine is the task or behavior itself we have to perform on the daily basis. It can be anything. And third one is reward. So it can be any small, as like to have my favorite chocolate or favorite food. So people do not celebrate things. That is one of the biggest problems. So if you complete any task, if you are able to manage to complete any task for a few days what you have decided, you have to celebrate it with a reward. So I remember one of my mentors, he was telling that yes, whenever I complete one task in 1 month, I stick to that. I just go to my favorite restaurant and I have my favorite food. Somebody is saying I just go 1 or 2 hours alone and I enjoy my favorite chocolate. So this reward can be as small as that. So how you can make this and make a better habit, make a good habit in this new year? So first, decide whatever you want to achieve, the result. So decide one task and what it takes. If you complete this, what the things you want to achieve. So have a clear goal. Have a clear goal and then you have to decide the task. So I will say, I have heard this, that complexity is the enemy of execution. So if the task is complex, it looking like very big, very difficult. So you have to start the smallest task at that time. Pick that smallest task and then attach this thing with a habit what you already has. So for example, you are just brushing your teeth. You don't have to take motivation or you have to remind yourself. No, it unconsciously coming to you. So whenever you wake up, you brush your teeth. So attach any good habit with that. You can use this phrase, which is after I dash, then I dash. So in the dash you can fill whatever you want. So for example, after I brush my teeth, I will read 10 pages of book. After I go to my office, and I will read my daily task. Or it can be, before I go to bed, I will read 10 pages. So you have to attach your habit with a habit what already you have. So if you attach, then it becomes a routine. And later when you complete this, you have to celebrate it with a reward. So to track this, you can use any digital calendar or physical calendar, and just if you complete one day, you need to put a X mark on the calendar or tick, anything you can do. So when you see, oh, I have completed these whole month, you will get a sense of satisfaction. The endorphin releases by your brain and it will give you good feeling. so you can stick to that. So today we have seen like 3 elements of making any habit. First is trigger, second is routine, and third one is reward. So if you stick this and if you make these smaller habit into your actions, then you can see a bigger result in the longer run. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, but they were laying a brick in each day, each hour. So you do not need to build a whole Rome in one day. You have to just lie down the first brick of the hour, first brick of the day, and that's how you are going to build a Rome in the longer run. Thank you so much for listening. This is Puneet Sharma signing out, and Happy New Year to everybody.